Hello folks, Kepler here on Raven's Resonant Rise server. I'm here on my own at the moment. Most people seem to have buggered across to the 1.6 test servers, but I had a few things to finish up here on the 1.5.2 server before I decided to do that, and partly because I'm waiting until the whole project is stable as well. My playtime is limited, so I'm not really in a position to deal with server resets. Anyway, yeah, I wanted to finish up a couple of projects here, and I'm just going to give a brief view of some of the things which I've been spending some time on. So I'm here in our base at the moment, myself and Skirty. We've built this lot together. You can see our main house is over there, and we're sat in our village at the moment. I'm actually going to bring you across to the potion shop, which was made in, it's supposed to be a community market type area, but I suppose situations didn't arrive. Anywho, I'll just bring you across there, right back in a minute. So here we are. This is Medica Magica, Kepps potion shop. What I initially wanted to do was to make a start on some kind of community market area where, you know, people could set up different shops for different random purposes. And I wanted to make a potion shop mainly because it would be somewhat useful to new players coming to the server, where they could, you know, get some fire res pots for going to the nether, or healing pots for going to the nether, or whatever. Plus potions are unfortunately a rather cool element of vanilla Minecraft that's somewhat, you know, overruled and made obsolete due to the plethora of mods that we kind of work with here. So, you know, they're a good thing, and they need more uptime, I guess. So yeah, this is the potion shop, and let's just go inside and we'll have a look at what's involved. So first thing you see coming through here is screens, so it's obviously run by Computercraft. Hey dude, friendly shopkeeper, stock. And over here are the potion slaves. You can see them there, slave number 1, number 2, number 3. So yeah, let's just make some potions. So click on this thing here, it gets us started, and obviously you got the various different types of potions here. So first of all, let's have a swiftness pot. Yeah, let's have one of those. Thank you very much. And there it appears over there on our shopping cart. Let's have a healing potion, but let's make it splash and potent. Yeah, healing potion marks 2. Let's have 3 of those. Thank you very much. And let's have some fire res potions. That's just one of those. Okay, let's have those. Okay, let's hit our purchase of those. Okay, what it's done there is it's gone back to our storage system behind it and check to see if it has all the ingredients to make those. And yeah, we need to put 5 gold nuggets in this chest here, because stuff is really cheap. I'm just going to pick it up from here actually. Thank you very much. So we'll throw that in there. It'll go, thank you very much. Now processing. And now we have our 3 workers. They've picked up the jobs that they need to do. They're going off pulling the ingredients. There isn't actually any stuff kept on site here. It's all passed through our logistics pipe system locally. So you can see, here we go. Dance guys, dance. They've pulled the various ingredients that they need to do, and they're happily making potions away. So you can see that they're still working on those. It takes about 20 seconds to brew a potion, I think. There's the first one that's done. So essentially what all these guys are doing is they're brewing awkward potions using netherwort, then they're pushing in the active ingredient, and then they'll do another round if they need to add potency or splash or extended duration or whatever. And depending on what the ingredients are, sometimes they need to go through 5 or 6 cycles if they have to do invisibility pots, for example. So you can see them dancing up and down there. This guy's finished, so he's dumping out the excess stuff they have and throwing the stuff that are ordered into the output chest down below. You can see he's now complete. The other guys are still working. So when the entire batch is complete, then we'll get our goodies. So this guy is now finished. Oh, he's got to put some more splash on that. Here we go. He's now dumping his contents out, and we can see over here work is complete on that one. So we're just waiting on our splash healing potions there. Seconds later, there we go. Dance around, throw them out. Work complete, and our goodies should start popping out to us now for another satisfied customer. Here they come. Lovely. Okay, and that's a quick run through that system. I won't take you through the code, mainly because, as I said, my Lua is not the best in the world. I did my best. I pulled together various UI elements from certain other YouTubers around the place, and changed them so that they were somewhat fit for purpose. My main problem whenever I do any of this stuff is that nothing can be just usable. It's got to be architected so that it's reusable. So I spent an awful lot of time moving a certain other person's button API into something that actually resembles an API that deals with multiple screens, pages, etc. So that's what you were seeing on the input there. There were several instances of that button object flying around, or as I call it, a touchscreen. The other reason why I'm not going to take it through it is because it's pretty messy. But the gist of it is that you have several parallel processes running at the same time. A handler that handles the UI button clicks, etc. A handler that handles the RedNet interactions, one to receive them and one to process them, and then a handler for the payment stuff as well. So all of that stuff then is running back here on this controller, and then you have 3 slave turtles here which just deal with interacting with the logistics pipe system, doing the actual brewing and dancing, etc., and pumping stuff out. And then this guy here is actually a sensor turtle to deal with making sure that the items coming back into these inventories are in the right order. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This was fun to build, painful at times, but nonetheless. Here's my temporary signs. Yeah, so I probably won't do any more on this. I'll leave it here, and I do intend to move across to the 1.6 test servers at some point reasonably soon. Okay, this is Kepps signing out. Thank you for your time. Have a good one.